I'm Nick.
I'm Graham.
And today we're going to give you an overview of how to rig a recovery ring system correctly.
There's been a lot of confusion about how to rig these, so we wanted to just clear that up. First and foremost, you need to make sure that they are correctly rated. So the ring and the soft shackle have to be rated to each other and then also rated to the work at hand. So generally, to be able to recover the vehicle that you are using. So what we're going to do here, we've got the ring, we've got the soft shackle. Open up the soft shackle. We're going to run the soft shackle through the center of the ring like this, and then bring it back around and tie off the soft shackle. Now, you'll have seen many videos where people have rigged them like this, like this, like that. There's only one way to correctly set a recovery ring in a soft shackle, and that is to do it like that. So the knot end has to come up through the ring, and then the loop coming back has to attach right there to the knot. So what that's doing is several things. It's not creating a weird angle like you would see here, where the ring end here, the closure end on the soft shackle is at a strange angle there. It's actually pulling straight. Also, there's a little more distance here as that radius bends around, so there's a lot less friction on the ring. And some people complain about the fact that there might be friction on a ring if you do it like this and it closes in. So this eliminates the friction. And also the diameter here, because you've got two ropes, basically two widths of rope going through the ring, gives a greater diameter for the ring to turn on and gives the correct diameter for that ring to turn on. That's how you correctly rig a recovery ring.
Let's chuck a winch line in that and see how that works.
Let's do that.
Here's one I prepared earlier.
Well done, sir.
So what we're going to do here is show you how to put the winch line around the recovery ring. Graham's going to put that through the anchor point and, just as he showed you, correctly rig that. So if I put a bit of tension on that, Graham's not going anywhere because, of course, he's the tree. As you can see, you know, as you'd be doing in any recovery situation, you'd be pre-tensioning. So again, you know, if you pre-tension this, there's no risk of that rope slipping over here before you put any load on it. And as you do put load on, obviously everything tightens up nicely. Again, you'd be checking how that looks. And as the winch line rotates, you can see the recovery ring rotating nicely around that as you're beginning your recovery.
And that's very important. If you ever see the winch line actually spooling around and the recovery ring not rotating, then you've got more friction on the inside than you do on the outside, and something's not correct, right? So when it's rigged correctly, recovery ring will spin correctly and everything will work just as well, if not better, than a traditional pulley block.
With the added advantages, of course, of being smaller and lighter and also multi-purpose, because remember, you can use that soft shackle for a number of other things.
That will clear up some of the misunderstandings that people have had about how to rig up a recovery ring system. Don't forget, when you're doing this for real in the field, always wear gloves, safety first, right? Because we're always doing this slowly, and we're never in a rush when we're doing a recovery, because if you're rushing, then things are going to go wrong. Cheers, thanks. If you want to learn more, go to our website at overlandpassage.com.